Many iPhone users are reporting that Siri is not working, and there are many issues I will fix in this video.
Sorry, I'm having trouble hearing you.
This issue also comes up. Siri did not quit get that try again, or Siri not available. After doing some solutions, your Siri will start working. Hi Siri, open Settings app. If you want to solve this problem, then watch the video till the end. Solution number 1. Go to Settings. Scroll down and click on Siri and search. Turn on press side button for Siri. Turn on listen for Hi Siri. Click on Continue. Hi Siri into your iPhone. Hi Siri, send a message. Hi Siri, what's the weather like today? Hi Siri, set a timer for 3 minutes. Hi Siri, play some music. Click on Done. Click on Language. Here you can select the language in which you want to give orders to Siri. Go back and click on Siri Voice. The Siri voice will take effect when download, so make sure your iPhone is connected to internet. Solution number 2. Go to Settings. Click on Wi-Fi. Turn on Wi-Fi. Enter password. Connect your iPhone to internet. Now check Siri is working. Hi Siri, open Settings app. Thanks for watching.